we're unboxing for the next Disney family, ESMERALDA'S family. She is part of Disney, and although she's not a princess, who says she can't have a family? Let's get started. Check out Esmeralda. Isn't she beautiful? Let's get her out. Esmeralda is wearing the same dress that she wears in the movies. She also has lots of bracelets on her ankles and on her arms. Alright, here's Esmeralda out of the box. Gotta cut those things out of her hair. But she looks really amazing. Alright, well, next up is Esmeralda's love interest, Phoebus. Here he comes. Phoebus looks amazing. This is a 1980s doll, so he doesn't stand up perfectly. He actually keeps bending over. Here's his sword, and goes in this little hole. I can't seem to get it. There we go. But he keeps bending over like he's bowing. Phoebus is Esmeralda's love interest in the movie. However, in real life, Esmeralda does not marry him. So, just a little tidbit. Next up is Halloween Fortune Barbie. She comes with these awesome, like kind of tarot reading cards, and then also a magic ball. So a fortune ball, you know, to tell the future. And she has these little cute black shoes and this black brush. And I really like her outfit. She looks really cool. So we'll see what Esmeralda's family does and see if they maybe visit this fortune teller. Alright, and next up is this cute little Club Chelsea boy. This is going to be one of the children of Esmeralda as Phoebus. Here's a surprise. What's inside? Oh, it's one of Esmeralda's dresses. I found this online, and it is in fact one of Esmeralda's dresses. So pretty. All right, and here's another surprise. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yay! Look who it is. It is Quasimodo. What would introducing Esmeralda's family be without Quasimodo? It wouldn't be the same, would it? This is a puppet series. This is all I could find. It's pretty old, but it does the trick. So, hello. Alright, and here's all the characters, and here's the castle that we're gonna unbox. Oh my goodness, there's so much in this. It's gonna take me forever to build this castle. Okay, well here it is. Here is the beautiful castle all built. Esmeralda, Phoebus, and Quasimodo sure look comfortable there, and their little boy. And we look forward to introducing Esmeralda's family, so tune in and subscribe today.